Now, this was one of my favorite hair extension just because of its curls, and the curls are very, very nice. And yes, I thought of it many times, and I was like, what else can I get from these curls, because they're so amazing. And this is none other than the Havanna curls from Darling Company Uganda. And yes, I know there's some other companies who are also doing these same extension, like they have like the same of course. Yes, and it is very, very nice. But for now, this is the Havanna Cowls from Darling Company. And like the word I said, there's something different that I wanted to do different from it. And this is what we're going to do. Now, we start with our cornrows. And the most important thing, if you try to look on how she's trying to start from the front, she makes sure that it is very firm. And this is the way how our crochets last longer, just because of this technique. The only technique is the cornrows, the inward cornrows. Yes, why our crochet lasts longer is the cornrows, because once the cornrows are loose, once the cornrows are not for a particular crochet, because it is different. Some people do different types of cornrows on wrong crochet. Okay, you find like a crochet is very, very small and someone does bigger cornrows, and maybe when you find that crochet are very big and then someone does small cornrows. So that's why we have been getting those problems on some people just keeping crochet, thinking that is painful, or maybe it breaks their hair, but it is not like that. It is just on how you choose to do it. So when you try to look at these cornrows, someone might even think that is very, very tight. Someone might think that maybe it has brought tension on someone's hair, but if you try to look at it, it is very, very loose, and it is just flexible for the crochet to put it on. So what we do, if someone has maybe thick hair, it is also something different, because hairstyle that I'm going to do is going to be a low cut. So we have to make sure that all the hair is leveled very well, so that it does not shrink, like it does not show when I'm done cutting my low cut hairstyle. So let's finish it like the way it's supposed to be. As you can see here, this is the way the cornrows are supposed to be done. So once yours are done big, trust me, it may come out differently. It may come out different from ours. And why we always make it this way, just because we want this person to have this hair for some good time. Remember, this is the hair that you can always wash. You're going to see it. But now let's first add in the anti-itchy, and this is the MDC hair oil. And of course, I always tell you that if you want to purchase this, just click in that link in the description. It is going to take you through my website, and then you grab it for yourself. Yes, and those ones who would want even the hair extensions that are on my website, please, you can even use that number, then you WhatsApp me, so that I just send it to you directly. Okay, yes, that would be the good thing, via DHL or maybe the FedEx. Yes, accordingly to where you are, so that you can also have these extensions. So please don't fail to get those hair extension. Once maybe you use the website and it fails, you can do it directly, and then trust me, I will send your package. I will send you all, maybe the hair extension, exactly where you are. Trust me, I will do it for you. So now we have started doing the locking, and this time around we're just going to make sure that we pack everywhere we just pack it very well. You know, sometimes whenever you're trying to do these lockers, the only mistake some people do is to space them, and once you space it, that's when you find like maybe someone looks good from the salon, because for you, you know how to control it, you know how to style it. But when this person goes home and in the morning, it becomes different. I know that those people have faced this. Okay, coming from the salon looking good, but when you're home like the next day, it looks different. It's just because of spacing. But what we do here, we overpack it very well, so that even if you lean on something, it does not change the direction. Okay, when you lean on something, it does not change the direction. So no, not even the direction, the shape does not change the shape. Okay, mostly like the behind. So we make sure that we pack it very well. And I guess that those people who don't have the corner behind, yes, so you have to pack it very well to create it yourself. And then the people keep on asking, like, those ones with long forehead can they also do this kind of a hairstyle? And of course, you can do it, because it is very protective, mostly to those with weak hairline. So as we continue, I'm making sure that we pack it very well, and then after we start doing our cutting. So this is how it looks, and the color is 133. That is the off black, but they're all in all colors. Those ones who would want to have different colors, they're there. So I grab one and then I try to cut it into four. Like, you have to get four of them in one extension. Okay, you get four of them, and then here we start doing the cutting. So whenever I'm teaching, sometimes it's hard for me like to teach you how to trim this, because trimming, it is just according to what you feel inside you, what you want. Like, you feel there's something you feel like your style, how you want it to look, is the way you trim it. Okay, or maybe sometimes the clients also might tell you that particular shape that they want, and you also trim according to the particular shape the clients want. But sometimes it is very difficult for the clients. Yes, they always choose styles, like the shapes that are not for their forehead, that are not for their head shape. Okay, so sometimes you also have to explain to these people, encourage them, yeah, to do the exactly a shape for their head shape. Okay, yes, it is it's not just trimming anyhow. No way, you need to follow the instruction, like after seeing someone head shape, and then you already know how you're going to trim your locker. So this is how I trimmed it, and yes, we try to make sure that we add in the line. And this is the hair moss. The hair moss is very important to add in it, and this is how it looks finally. So guys, you can rate me from 1 to 100 in the comment section, and if you have any other question that you'd want to ask me, please make sure that you do ask. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. May the Lord bless you all. Bye bye. See you in the next video.